What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to make some breakfast tots. Real simple ingredients, not a lot of ingredients. Now don't forget, we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. We're at about 2,700 right now, so I think in a couple weeks we're going to be giving that griddle away. So hit that notification bell, be subscribed, and look out for that video to come out. So let's check out these ingredients real quick and get this one going. Right here, these are the tots we're going to use. They're frozen right now. They've been sitting out for a little while, but that's what we're using on that. We got some sharp cheddar cheese, some spicy Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage, green onion, and then we got 6 eggs right here that I put a little half and half in, and onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Then we're going to throw a little bit of the breakfast blend on the tots, and then a little Louisiana at the end. Simple as that. So we got the griddle up to 350. I put some oil down. That's some peanut oil. Got a nice sizzle going on. That ought to be good. Alright. Just turn these up. Let's try and get some oil all over these. Alright, now I'm going to put a little more oil. Alright, get these things in kind of a circle. Alright, now I'm going to put these in a circle, put a little bit more oil over the top of them. I'm going to cover them up and just let them go for a little bit. Probably give them like 5-ish minutes. I have these 2 burners on high. I'm going to turn those down to a medium-ish. And these 2 burners are off right now. I'm going to wait to cook the sausage and the eggs until these are just about done, because that's going to go real fast. So yeah, let's just let these cook up and I'll bring you right back. So it's been going for 5 minutes. Let's see how we're looking on temperature. We got 350 over there, 460 over there. So yeah, I'm going to turn that down a little bit more. Let's check these things out. So they're looking good. They're starting to cook up good. This is where the Blackstone with the air fryer comes in handy, because you ain't got to worry about turning all these things so they're not cooking on the same side. I mean, they're cooking up good. It's just a little tedious. We'll have to give one of those away one of these days, huh? How about that? All right, good enough. Let's cover these back up, and we'll let them go for another... let's go 5 more minutes, see what happens. So it's been another 5 minutes. We're still rolling on like 440 over here and 370 over here. Where are we at over here? 250. So let's check these out one more time, and I think they're going to be just about done. So they're looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this out of here. I'm just going to move these. I'm trying to be kind of gentle with them because I don't want them to fall apart or anything. So I'm just going to move these over here. They're going to keep cooking a little bit. I'm going to get all these things turned around over here. But while those things are chilling over here, I'm going to get going on the sausage right here. So we're at 426. I turned these 2 burners all the way down. These 2 are still off, and it's still like 250 over there. So let me bust this open. All right. Boom. So we're going to use about half of that. And that's going to be about so. Don't want to waste any of that. All right. And you know how to do this. Just chop her on up. Easy, easy, easy. Boom. This is going to be done in no time. Now there's not too much grease that comes off this Jimmy Dean's, so that's good, but If you use some sausage that kind of does have a lot of grease, I would probably dab it at least to get some of it off, because you don't want to make these all soggy. So yeah, that's what I would do. Look at that. We're getting there. This is only going to take just a minute, and then we're going to get going on some eggs. Alright, so our sausage is pretty much done. So now I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. Just kind of spread it a little bit. Let's get these eggs going. And actually, before I mess with that, I'm going to put a little Blackstone breakfast blend on these tots. Not too much because it's pretty salty, and there's putting cheese in there, and there's salt in the cheese. So yeah, let's and the sausage. So let's get these eggs going. Look at that. Cooks up nice and fast. Now I do have it a little hotter than I would like, but that's not an issue. We're just scrambling up some eggs. Boom. And that half and half helps them get a little fluffy, a little fluffier. But yeah, so the tots are done pretty much. We're just gonna mix this stuff up. Now I'm gonna mix the tots with it. Just had a bite of that egg. Ooh, boy, it's gonna be good. Let's check this out now. Let's see how we're looking. Good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to just scoop this whole thing up together and put it on this plate. So, not sure if this is gonna work out very well. I came apart a little bit. Boy, but look at that. You ain't going uneaten either. Boom. All right. Let's give this a try. Oh, wait. Don't want to forget the green onion. A little bit. All right. Man, let's come in and get a close-up of this. Let's throw a little hot sauce on this too. Man, there's so many good smells coming off this right now. First, I want to give a try on one of these. Got a little hot sauce on it. Got a pretty good cook on that. I like it. Boom, let's get a little onion. A little onion. Oh, that one looks real crispy. Trying to pile this stuff on here. That's good. That cheese melted really, really nice. Get some of the hot stuff. That's pretty good. Man, I should have did this for the Get Loaded Fries collab. Could have done fries with it. I mean, tots are basically fries, right? Man, that's good. Yeah, I won't eat. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. I'm gonna get in, eat some dinner. And yeah, thanks for coming by. Smash that thumbs up if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Remember, we're giving away a griddle at 3,000 subscribers. So hit that notification bell. See you on the next one. Thanks.